DJ Covenant nĩarĩkĩtie kugira Hellen Muthoni kwaheri as she exits the show. Na it was quite an emotional last show ya Hellen Muthoni. Akenya na mafans makiyumiria in large numbers kugira Hellen Muthoni their final goodbye after she made the unexpected announcement kiroko kiomuthi ati she is leaving INOORO TV na RURUMUKA show. Na DJ Covenant co-host wake nĩakorwo anake akeiturura na akirira muno kure nenda-ini ategwitikia ati nima Hellen is leaving na aikiuga mama fans ake makimumiriria tondu tiga huthu having to say goodbye to his co-host uria makoretwo makireha nake tabarira ino for more than 7 years. They had become great friends with a great bond even on camera. Niurakionaga ni andu maratwaranaga o wega muno na Akenya ono makiumiriria DJ Covenant na onake Hellen Muthoni has revealed ati it was not easy agishia ndumiriri ino agikiuga oh my onake akigegio muno ni wendo akorwo akionio ni Akenya na akiuga it has not also been easy for her to leave tondu she too had grown a bond na mafans na mashabiki ake na ona nginya show ino ya RURUMUKA it is something so dear to her and having to exit after 8 years ti undu muhuthu. Na DJ Covenant niakorwo akiuga ati tumeachana with these crying emojis na akiuga it's her last show. One word to Hellen Muthoni na to me juu nimeachwa #love #RURUMUKA #good vibes na kirekereria bisha ino akionania ni Hellen Muthoni is leaving na niagitigwo ewika and he is wishing her well. Ona nginya Akenya aingi muno nimeyumiritie na kwendithĩria Hellen Muthoni all the best na makienda kumenya now where is she headed next. Makienda muno kumenya tokana ni gukorwo agirio TV ni kana she's done with TV no maikimwendithĩria all the best na we too wish her all the best in her next adventure. Goodbye Hellen Muthoni na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.